Innovation, it comes from the fact where you have limited resources and you're pushed into the corner. Human being by its virtue of its nature, when pushed into the corner, comes up with ideas which are out of the box. The resources are limited, and at that time you come up with simple solutions and something that kind of turns the lives of people around. And that is what is happening to India. I mean, a very common word, jugaad, we know very well. But has somebody actually understood what jugaad means on a global level? It is innovation in Indian context. So you can see a rickshawala on the road doing innovation, and that's what designers who come from institutions have started understanding that word now. Innovation is a great theme to start with. I think we've had conferences which have addressed urban issues. We've talked about context, we've talked about climate, we've talked about various aspects of architecture and design, but nobody's actually gone into what is innovation in architecture. And that is where I think this whole festival, which is focused on this theme, will bring about new ideas, and it will bring about collaborations of people who are not just architects and interior designers. You'll have collaborations from maybe scientists, from product designers, from graphic designers, and that is the need of the hour in India today.
Innovation, well, interestingly, in India, if there is one word that is very close to innovation and that makes people laugh, is jugaad. And somehow I think as Indians, because we are living in such a competitive world, it has gone into our blood. And it's the same for architects also. It's just that they are trained as creative, technical people. So innovation, when it comes to them, it comes very naturally. The dynamics of life, the dynamics of profession, the dynamics of the whole country, it is so dynamic that it just motivates or it pushes architects to continuously innovate in terms of their planning. In terms of planning, you are being forced to challenge the space, the space criterias. The space constraints are increasing because of lack of land resource. So one is being pushed continuously to design, to plan in an environment where space utilization and optimization is to the maximum. I think it is a great concept, to take innovation as a theme for a festival of architecture. Automatically, I would say you would set everyone thinking that, hey, you've come to this place and you've got to think different. It's right from word go that you have to now come up with there has to be an innovation even in the way the festival is organized or the festival is structured. And the whole environment, innovation, in my opinion, is really a result of very rich enthusiasm, strong passion, and also a very strong knowledge base.
I believe a lot of ideas will get thrown into the mix. A lot of things which could mean different to different people. And I think the audience is going to gain a lot through what each person thinks of innovation as a process, whether it is to do with looking at the past, whether it is to look at the value that you're bringing, or the innovation from an Indian perspective of jugaad. Something is going to come out of that. I believe that's what is going to make the festival interesting. I think the young minds who are coming for a forum like this would get an opportunity to see that Indian minds are equally innovative and creative, and internet and Googling outside designers is not the only way to see good design, but getting exposed to what Indians are doing in India. And I think there's a lot to see. I think they would benefit greatly by seeing what their peer group or their seniors have been doing or are still creating at this point in time.